Good morning, traders, and welcome to Morning Minute here on the Schwab Network. I'm Tom White. We've got a lot to cover over the next few minutes, so let's get started. Stocks are rebounding modestly from yesterday's sell-off as the trading year wraps up. Trading is going to be mostly thin today, but volatility may come into play as investor repositioning takes place ahead as we head into 2025. Now let's take a look at the major indices. The S&P 500 up just over 0.1%. The Dow up about 81 points, or about 0.2%. The tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 popped back into the green, up fractionally. And the Russell 2000 small caps leading to the upside after a weekday yesterday, up over 0.5%. On those, now let's take a look at some of the other asset classes that should be on your radar. We've got the dollar firming up just above that 108 level. Then that's for the future. Cash is up about 108.20. The 10-year yield, weak once again, 4.53%. Still up over 80 basis points since the Fed started cutting in mid-September. 100 basis points worth of cuts from the Fed did not equate to lower yields. We've seen those moving to the upside. A little bit weaker today. Crude oil firming up above $71 a barrel as geopolitical risks take hold, and Bitcoin rallying up over 1.6%, back above 96,000 today, and Bitcoin up about 120,000 or 120%, for the year for Bitcoin. So some big strength there in the cryptocurrency. And let's go through our top stories. The Treasury Department said in a letter informing lawmakers that a state-sponsored actor in China hacked the department, gaining access to the workstations of government employees and unclassified documents. This, according to multiple reports. The Treasury Department did say that it had been notified on December 8th by a third-party software service company, Beyond Trust, that the hacker had obtained a security key that allowed it to remotely gain access to certain Treasury workstations and documents on them. They said that the hack has been stopped, but well, we'll wait and see on that. And let's turn to another big story then. That's Wedbush. They expect tech stocks to be up 25% in 2025 as the street further digests a less regulatory spider web under Trump in the White House, with stronger AI initiatives within the Beltway on the way, and a Goldilocks foundation for big tech and Tesla looking into 2025 and beyond. The firm believes tech stocks will be robust in 2025 on the shoulders of the AI revolution and $2 trillion plus of incremental AI capex over the next 3 years. While there will be some white-knuckle moments in 2025 along the way, Wedbush thinks this will create the opportunities to own the tech theme and key names, which has been its core investing tech playbook the last 2 years. The firm's top 10 tech winners for the AI revolution in 2025 include Nvidia, Microsoft, Palantir, Tesla, Google Alphabet, Apple, MongoDB, Pegasystems, Snowflake, and Salesforce. So Wedbush coming out with that note. They're always bullish on those names, though. All right, and the final story, we're going to take a look at the MAGS ETF, up 65% in 2024. The overall S&P 500 up about 24%. So this has been the big driver of a lot of the gains. The S&P 500 equal weight index up just over 10%. The Russell 2000, same, just up over 10%. So we've seen some concentration from the MAGs lifting the entire market at this point. But big gains for that MAG ETF that we continue to watch as they've been the driver for most of the gains in 2024. That's going to wrap up the Morning Minute here on the Schwab Network. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.